Hey everybody, what's up? So we have a 42-inch Hunter low profile floor ceiling fan that's installed here in my brother's room of my house. So here are the pole chains. There's the Hunter pole chains, the light chain and the fan chain. And here's the Hunter logo right up here. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a demonstration to this fan. Here's the light. As you can see, all three of the bulbs are working here, and now I'm going to give you a demonstration to this fan. Here's low. Now turn up to medium. And now I'm going to turn on high. At least this is quieter than my bedroom ceiling fan. Alright, I'm going to do a spin down to this now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.